Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's remove and reuse press-on nails. Gently push the blunt side of your cuticle pusher at the edges of the nails and pull slowly. Like that. They'll come off very easily if you used adhesive glue. Once you're done removing the nails, use the sharp side of the cuticle pusher to take off the glue from the nails. Do it the way I'm doing. And as you can see, the nails are ready to reuse. They look as fresh as new. Thank you for watching.